Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taisha, or Ty if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing a retwist and also putting in some pipe cleaners. This is my first time trying pipe cleaners, so I normally do perm rods and I just feel like the curls, they be cute, but they don't really be like popping for real, and I need them things popping. Oh my gosh, it's getting everywhere. It's getting everywhere. Okay, so I'm just like this is I really don't even feel like doing this today, but why not? Why not try something new? So these are the products that I use: Kaleidoscope times the Brat So Slick Braid and Grip Gel. As you can see, I love this because it's almost gone. And then I have their Your Fave Wrapper Mousse. Pipe cleaner curls, guys. What happened? It looks so dark. All right, so let's get into it. Now, I hope this comes out cute because, like I said, this is my first time doing this. And I'm gonna be mad if they don't come out right. Like, I'm gonna be so mad because it takes time to do. This takes time, you guys. And normally I do this in front of a mirror, but today I'm just like, I think I'm gonna wing it, Oh yeah, I forgot. I have. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so I've seen a few techniques. I'm gonna try this one where you fold 2 in half and twist. And then the tighter you twist, the tighter the tighter the curls are. I'm not really sure how tight I want them, but I don't know. We'll see. So this little loop at the end, oh, my nail is stuck. The loop at the end is where you start at the bottom. And you just twist up, apparently. Twist. Okay, hold up. Cause, all right. Your girl don't know what she doing, okay? Why isn't it sticking? It's not staying. Listen, okay, I know the back row is gonna be like not, the best. Nobody's really gonna see the back row, so I'm not really worried about it. But okay, I think we might have got something here. I'ma just leave it because I don't know what else. That's like the back. Okay. All right, y'all. Let's keep going. See, I should have just did my retwist like yesterday and then came back and did this. Trying to do this all at once is like, girl. And then I wonder if you need 2. Do you really need 2 pipe cleaners? But hers came out really good, so I'm just like, let me see. Let me do it how she said. So this is how it should look. I was gonna use mousse, but my hair's already wet, so I'm just like, see, that's the thing. I'm like, should I have just done my retwist, and should I do my retwist and then go back and do it? I'm trying to kill two birds with one stone, okay? Because I feel like if I use the mousse, it's definitely going to last longer. But my hair's already wet, so it's like, does that defeat the purpose of the mousse? Or does it not matter if my hair is wet? Oh gosh. Y'all, don't judge me. I'm just trying stuff at this point. I'm just trying stuff. All right. Now, twist up. She said twist up. Oh gosh. I hope this comes out cute. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry if it don't. All right, y'all. I'm gonna listen to some music and try to get this done. If you want a star, you be the one I'm searching for. All the girls say got attention, but I just always feel like there is something you got. Obvious you're pretty, heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl, you're not too busy. There's nothing wrong, write this little song for me to get ready to. Put those on your heels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that stress on and work it, kinda vicious, like somebody saying they shut it down, down, down. Look at the sun. The sun is shining a little bit. Finally, the clouds have passed. Oh my gosh, y'all. Like, I was like, oh, I'm halfway done. I still have this whole freaking ponytail to do. So I do not recommend doing this while trying to do a retwist at the same time. Or if you do your retwist first, let it dry and then do this. Like, trying to do this all at once is like not, because you have to, if you twist it to the left or to the right, you have to roll that same way, I think. I don't even know, but your girl is over here struggling. I'm like trying to figure out what kind of way to do this, okay? Because I need the curls to be like popping. I need the curls to be popping. I need the curls to be popping, yeah. Shawty, shawty, where you working that back? And pop it, yeah. All right. So I don't know, y'all. We just experimenting. We just gonna see what happens at this point. So this loop technique supposedly, allegedly, makes it easier when it's time to take them down, because you can just literally pull it out. So, I mean, we'll see. I think I might leave them in for like 2 days, since I don't really have nothing going on for the next 2 days. I'm gonna be in the house. I can rock this without feeling like, you know. But I don't know if I don't think I would be cute with a short hairstyle. Like, But yeah, so I'm gonna keep these in for a few days, a couple of days. Girl,
opponent at. Do it all the time. Keep your guards up, who waited line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy. You know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself. There's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself. There's murder. What you mean, you and me? I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around. Let's be polite, not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin', I be wildin' too. Not like you, so maybe I look like you. Maybe we ain't so different. Maybe I be tripping.
Guys, this is the final, well, not the final, but this is how they look after I put the pipe cleaners in. So I'm not sure if I did this correctly, but I guess we'll see in a couple of days. I'm just gonna be looking like Curly Sue for a couple of days, because I'm definitely keeping these in for a couple of days. I'm gonna dry them for a little bit to see if that kind of helps to speed up the process also. That, I feel like that's the like black stuff, the stuff from the pipe cleaner gets everywhere. So that's just little I can't think of the word. I'm trying to, I don't even know what, I don't even know. But I'm tired. I feel like that took like 4 hours. That really did take a long time. But it's cute. Very cute.
Eventually.
Okay guys, so I got all of them out, and as you can see, they are super tight right now. But once they like start dropping, they're going to eat. Okay, they're going to eat. I'm trying to like pull them and stretch them, but that's not working. Like they literally are going to, maybe if I spray some water on them, I can manipulate them a little bit, but I'm gonna leave them alone, I think. Cause like, I feel like somebody auntie mama cousin, auntie mama grandma right now. Yeah, when they drop, that'll be the final. But anyways, you get what I mean. This is what they look like when you take the pipe cleaners out. They are super, super tight. So if you don't want them up here, don't, you get what I'm saying. Don't wrap all the way up. Like literally just do the ends, I would say. Or you can just do this and then just wait until they drop. Like I'm not going anywhere until Thursday. I don't think Wednesday or Thursday. So I'm sure by then they will have dropped a little bit at least. But other than that, I love them. They're so cute. Super cute.